Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you how to customize your name in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for this, all I want you to do is scroll down and get your screen like this. Then tap on focus. There you will see some options. Tap on the plus sign called New Focus, which is present on the bottom center of your screen. Now here select Custom. Here tap on Name and write it down. Then select Next. Before that, what I want you to know is there are lots of emojis. You can select any one of the emojis that you want to put with your name. There you will get to choose a template. Select one of your choice. As you can see, you can choose a lock screen too of your choice and tap on done. There you go, you have it done. Now you'll be able to see your name on the bottom of your screen, just like this. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.